Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix overdrawn bank account chase. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if your account balance exceeds $50 in overdraft at the close of the business day, it is necessary to initiate a deposit or transfer to avoid incurring an overdraft fee on the transactions causing the overdraft. You have until 11 p.m. ET or 8 p.m. PT the following business day to complete this action, ensuring your account balance remains within $50 overdrawn or less by the end day. Now, deposits or transfers can be made through various channels, so that includes Chase Banks, ATMs, or Chase.com or the mobile app. Now, for transfers from non-Chase accounts, be aware that processing times may be lengthier and transfers might not be finalized before 11 p.m. ET or 8 p.m. PT cutoff. Now, the amount needed to avoid an overdraft fee is to deposit or transfer sufficient funds to bring your account balance to $50 overdrawn or less by the end of the business day. This calculation considers your previous day's closing balance and posted credits. Any deposits not yet available or holds, like garnishments, will decrease the balance available for covering transactions. Debit transactions proceed during the nightly procedures are then subtracted. When initiating a deposit or transfer, it's important to account for any other transactions or purchases, whether pending or not, that may impact your account balance before the close of the business day. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.